Don from Essential RC here with Trevor, and he's just put this in my hands and with his Radio Master TX16 and told me to go fly it. What is it, Trevor?
Okay, it is RC Factory. I'm going to say this carefully, so I'm pausing. Crack Fokker?
Crack Fokker.
Yep. They do a smaller version as well called the Lil Fokker. And you know something? Hands down, this is my most fun indoor plane, and it's really durable. I love this thing.
And it's from Aerobatics.
Yeah,
right?
Aerobatics, yeah.
Clive, aerobatics.co.uk, does all the RC Factory stuff in the UK for us.
Can I just add, it is, we've flown this one outdoors, and it's so much fun outdoors as well, so it's a good all-rounder. It's not just an indoor plane. Right,
and it comes as a flat kit.
Yep.
You get the electronics from Aerobatics as well, and you glue it together with U-hoop, or right. It comes with all the carbon and all the little bits and pieces that you need to put it together. But you need to buy your own servo, speed controller, and motor, and then you're ready to go. Take your life into your own hands when you come to an indoor flying session at our Model Flying Club, as just was demonstrated by Roy behind me. Right, anyway, going to give this a quick go.
All right, good luck.
You ready?
Yeah, you're going to love it. There we go.
I see it's a lot of fun.
It's quite easy to fly compared to some, isn't it? It's quite forgiving.
It's very easy to hover.
I'll tell you, it's really good at knife edge as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
You've got the far side of the holding darkness.
Yeah, if you put it into knife edge and don't actually put any rudder in, it doesn't drop, if you know what I mean. It will slowly.
Oh, no, knife edge by itself.
Yeah, so you can actually do rolling circuits without actually having
to... That's a knife edge circuit without touching the rudder.
Yeah, it's amazing. You look like an expert.
I look like a pro.
Yeah. I think that's why I like it.
It's got a lot of power.
Yeah. Oh, it's outdoors. It's so much fun. It will actually do knife edge loops. You just have to be a little bit wary coming out.
Oh, will it?
Yeah. Oh, you'll be fine.
I don't want to break it, Trevor.
I'll tell you something that does quite good.
Yeah.
If you get it slow, but it's almost go full rudder with a little bit of up, it just spin around in the spot like in it just circle on the wingtip, yeah, like that. Yeah, once you find the sweet spot, it just sit there all day long.
You've had a lot more practice.
Yeah, yeah, I've put some time into this only because it's so much fun to fly. This would be a good model to sort of take camping or things like that. I think.
Yeah, it flies in such a small space.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm amazed how slowly it flies.
Are you going for it? Oh, nearly.
Take one. We'll do that again.
Oh, there you go, first time.
Brilliant. I'm amazed how slow that flies. I mean, it's not super light,
No.
but the amount of drag it has from those three wings must be a factor in that. Great fun. Thanks for sharing that, Trev.
That's all right, there you go.
Let's look this up. This is on aerobatic.co.uk. It's the RC Factory Crack Fokker.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.